So a relationship yami no Chester, it started getting more serious. That December, literally in Christmas, I introduced him Ekaya because he took me home after I, gahlala kuye for those couple of days, and then wanglethe Ekaya, and my mom caught a glimpse of him, and I kind of told my mom that I met a guy, and but it was not something serious until Christmas, because already the whole of December uyez uyangcheka and it was giving, magangcheka umangaphahle mangiphuma uyangiguga, like it was just giving, it was just giving. That's why Ngiti Chester is a very nice guy. He is a loving guy. It's just that he's just rough around the edges. Okay, so that December he came to my house, Christmas lunch, and I introduced him to my mom, basically, Yabona, and they were receptive of him, because I remember my mom asked him, Ubuti, what does he do? Ute no my digs. He said no my digs, yeah, and then yeah, basically it was just giving that. And I remember that day after we finished having the lunch with the family, we later on went out Kewang Tata Saya, so yo jive as per usual. So in a nutshell, our relationship was becoming more serious. He was seeing me as a trophy girlfriend that he needed to take everywhere to show off to people that I'm dating a beautiful girl, I'm dating someone. And he also didn't know that I had a history, Nabo big guy and all of that. So to me also, being outside with him was enough validation for me that I have moved on. Even though people did not know the extent of my relationship with big guy, I was not like known like that, but I was known, but like no one was in my business like that. But him being in my life kind of gave me that thing. Okay, it's good for me. I love it for me, because it means now there's boundaries and big guy is gone out of the picture. So now we focus on Uchesta. And just like that, welcome to part 2. Our relationship started escalating, but November before I went home, sahamba on a Monday, which is the one keeper. He was busy bragging about with no stupid when I'm stupid. I'm like, a stupid, what is the stupid thing? And he would also talk to his friends like, oh, you're gonna get in alone, stupid guys. Do you know where stupid gugupi? So I get dressed, get ready, look the part, because Uchester was the type of guy where would go out and it must hambile, must pume groovini. We don't sleep. Like, we don't sleep. To one spot, to the other, like abuma yendaweleza was sprayed White House, like Dengizula no chest. Like I was sprayed abu White House, like basis Zula no chest. So I get dressed, I get ready, I'm being told Gutinogi 15 estupini, and here I am getting ready, looking the part. Gandhi, he's taking me to Alexandra. That was my first time being in Alex. So he took me to Alex and sajaiva. Azange sijave guys. Ngalezo inkathi lezo ke niyazi ukuthi ipiano ngakungakabi lo hluphi eliluyilo. Now it was giving. Khona ingoma futhi ngikhohliwe nayo le guys. Esingiyikhumbula mangizwa, but it normally carries the memories around that time, yabo. But ke I go enjoy. I remember I even being led nasemoteni masibuya saya komunye umuzi around like ngakule era wayehlala kuyo yena uChester, even you could tell the people there bazongiviewa emotweni ukuthi umuntu kaChester omuhle ulele bathi hayi kajwayelanga shem uyambona kajwayelanga lempilo asho vela hayi lo muntu wami lo jwayela ama club yabona luka ama club kajwayelanga lezintele.
Listen on my document.
So we dated and dated and dated and dated. Fast forward to because Chester 2015, right? Chester 2015, and then 2016 ngandingihamba ngiyothwasa mina, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I'll remember. I'll just, if I get my dates wrong, apologies. In that dollar pill. So Sizwane no Chester Sizwane. So it happens that now people besibas guting corner, but they hadn't warmed up to me like that. You understand? Okay, fine. So there's this day where there was a gathering. A relative yakabo Chester binds umsebenzi yakhulula or auntie loyo washate no malume Chester. So I'm there, the family's there, even my friend, and she cousin, now she was there, so we are there, it's a vibe, kumnandi, I'm enjoying myself. Chester took me there, we are drinking, we are chilling, it's giving, I understand it, because family ka Chester na ibekela abantu besifazane kakhulu yabo. So, hayi kumnandi sihlele lapho. Out of the blue, excuse the pun, out of the blue, auntie lawyer, she took a liking to me. So I do not know what happened, but I know good to be spuza. But ngiqale ngibaxoxela ngithi kunobaba ogqoke ishirt eli blue who is kanje in complexion, who's dark in complexion. Bachazela ngiba-explainela ume la phambi kwami, because mangiqale ngikhuluma naye lo baba bathi ngikhuluma nobani bathatha ngathi mhlambe ngiyahlanya, but ngiba-explain ngisi no kunobaba ume la phambi kwami, ngiyaba-explainela kanti lo muntu engimbonayo yindoda umalume ka Chester, basically indoda ka auntie lo esize kuye. So he tells me what he's telling me, I relay the message, and from then on a huge blackout. And then Chester, all he told me that is just, I came and told him, good, I want to go. Guys, all I remember at that scene was that mang pumalapo, the family was crying. Everybody was crying. The auntie was crying. Like, it's like they were happy that I was there. They loved what I did for them. But to them, they never expected it. And it was more confirmation, because I did not know Umalume of above. So, but for me to get to connect to Umalume like that was mind-blowing. So the whole way, Masi and Lini, Chester is looking at me like, who are you? You understand that? Who are you? But in the hindsight, I am not even at that situation. So before Chester, in the middle of us dating no Chester, I was a Christian, so Chester supported my belief, and to an extent whereby he used to go with me to Esontweni. If I wanted to go to church, he used to take me. He didn't mind. You understand? All night prayer. He didn't mind. He loved that I'm a church girl. To him, that was like giving that, purity. I'm not dirty. I'm not the streets. I'm not for the streets. So he liked that about me, and I also knew why I was so invested in church, because remember, ngathola izwi ekuqaleni ukuthi ngine gift. So me being Mzalwane was me running away from the calling. You understand? So it happens that ngelinye ilanga Chester wayeningi into wayeyifaka, right, la emzimbeni yakhe ebopha la ekhaleni. At that thing it serves a purpose to protect him. So that thing makathi makayifakile Chester, especially if once waphuza, he would literally look different. He'd actually talk different. You could see in his eyes. And angitshela ukuthi lento le ineyilwane bayenzile vele ukuthi ibe kanje, so that mangihambile ngiba velt, because I have to always be alert because of the life that I'm living. So angikwazi ukulahla, you understand? So this is my protection, wayo umuntu onganayo ke ikona lezo zinto lezo, no, like a big guy. But you can imagine, as a girlfriend, I am sitting there and I'm looking at the situation. I'm like, from big guy to izilwane. So what's next? I'm Kovu, you know what I mean? So So what happened was that Uchester lento yakhe beseyiphela yabo, and mele ahambe ayekulo baba ahamba kuye ayovuselela le shandisi yakhe. So athi kimi no ngumuntu wakhe ngisho angikhaphe lapho uzongimele emotweni wena, and then mina ngenze what I need to do ngiye kubaba plus I need ukuthi ngiyohlola. No fun. Uchester ngene ku consultation room yaloyo baba loyo. Uchester ungene wafola and then in the midst of angenile consultation room, ha umuntu uyangifonela, love ngicela ukuthi ungene la, like ngene for ini, no kunento ubaba ayikhulumayo and ifuna wena. I'm like, no ways. Uchester bona ukuthi ngiyastana, I'm not actually entertaining this. Aphume aze kimi atry kungenga ngithi angilapho akni ekanidarini. You know, so Uchester phuma athi you know what, astart imoto umbona ukuthi idinekile, athi you know what, lo baba lo into angitshela yona ukuthi lo muntu lo engizana naye umuntu abantu abadala, wena uyisangoma wena, and unabantu abanzima wena, because it's not just amadluzi wakho wakini uhamba nezinto ezingabona zasemanzini. I understand. Ngimbheke ngithi in my mind I'm like, this one is talking about marine spirits, this one is talking about demons, and uzongengisa. Is this why are we together? No. So ngim explain the situation ukuthi no mina ekhaya this is the situation, but angilandele lezi zinto lezi. Athi kimi you know umama isangoma, but uzange ahamba yothwasa. And until today, she's struggling spiritually because of akafuna ngiyethwasa. So if you know ukuthi une gift Dimpo, nono kubuya phakama wenza something empilo yakho. So fast forward to lelanga leli ke. Usangibhekile Uchester. Who are you? Ay nami ngiyithulele vele, masifike endlini vele athi ngisitshela ukuthi siyangena eroomini. Angisendlini kumamakhe. Ngithola ku aunt abanye bahleli lapha yana, labanye besibashiye lapha bahleli. So sengilindiwe mina. Ukuthi hayi sisi, phela you need to tell us wena what is going on with you. You understand? So baqala bangibuze ngidescribe ukuthi ngiboneni into kanjani. And then they confirmed nginikeza isithombe sakamalume, and then they said lo muntu ombonayo it is lo muntu lo osicabanga ukuthi uye. Hayi umama wakhe athi hayi lona shuthi ulethwa amadlozi lona, there is no way dala waletha amantombazana la endlini, but yabona lona this is the first for us. Okay fine, kukhulunywa lokukhulunyayo singene eroomini noChester. Ilanga lakhona you could just tell that he didn't know what to do, he didn't know what to say to me. Akazi ukuthi angibambe or angikhulumise or ayenzeni. So we just cuddled yabo, and then we woke up in the morning, and then I was like no, it's ngihambe ngekhaya because I also need to go tell my mom what happened. So ngifike la endlini, tell my mom, reiterate the story. My mom was shocked as well, and she was like, she looked at me with worry because she was like, I like what she's saying to me, but at the same time because remember usicelile unkomo ukuthi usicela ukuthi uqede isikolo, and usicedile isikolo, and now the question mark remains, what's next? Mina ngitshele ngithi hayi mina mama lezi zinto lezi uyazivele kube ngathi vele bayangilaya ngiye kakhulu esontweni ke. So siloko siqhubeke ke noChester sijole noChester libe yi1 ilanga ngihleli noChester. Ay ngiyazwa man bekwenzeka umsebenzi futhi Khabo Chester. Yazini Khabo Chester bese bangenza umkhovu kakhulu because makwenza umsebenzi bebangimema. So kwakuyibirthday kamama kaChester kuJanuary. Okay. So yes, January 2016. Angisho ngihambe April 2016. So prior to that, bayenze leyo party leyo kamama kaChester. Yakhulunywa ukuthi this is what's happening. We understand kumnandi out of the blue. No, kwaku December, I remember. Kwaku December because the January I remember okay, as in it's and confusing guys in shy timeline line. But anyway, so kwaku party kamama kaChester. So sihleli lapho ngiqine ngihleli. But I could feel ngibone nje ubaba khehla liza kimi. Mageza kimi lo baba lo one. That's all I remember. Mangiphaphama bathi bengivuke idlozi, and funny enough ngivuka idlozi kanje akusidlozi lami. umkhulu walapho anyeke ngimbize ngegama because nami makaza bambiza ngegama lakhe like elihloniphekile ngehlu eledlozi umkhulu walapho umkhulu walana njani manje umkhulu walana ungifunani mina ungaze lapho umkhulu uyapi umkhulu nami umkhulu loyo kanti he came with the message and part of the message was for me and for Chester. Umkhulu akhuluma izinto zomndeni akhulume bese agcine athi lona engimlethile ngimcelile nganconcoze ebantwini bakibo ukuthi abe la uphethe ikhiya zokuthi alungiselele uChester impilo yakhe nokuthi uChester abe right. So for the fact ukuthi umntana ula uChester is like the chosen yabona ekhayeni kunala abantwana laba abafavor amadlozi, you understand? Mhlawumbe uthole ukuthi amadlozi ayabayenzela abafana nabanye abantwana. So Chester was one of those kids. Chester beyangaphila impilo straight, but he was blessed because Nini has a house, Nini lost a house. Nini has a car, he doesn't have a car. So why nenhlanhla yemali nenhlanhla into is right? Like why nenhlanhla though Chester? Kuba bonke abantwana bazele kuleya muzi ya Chester was actually doing better, even though wayephila impilo nje ehlanga yamakoporosh, but he was doing better. Hayi ubaba loyo avele akhulume asha ngqongqose anyeke ngisakhuluma ama timeline because ngiyadideka la indaba zami noChester ziningi, so allow me to just reiterate the story nina nizabona ukuthi timeline kanjani, but ngizogcina mase ngiyithwasa. Okay, ngibone ngathi manje this is maybe this family is lying to me, because why are they coming with this ndabas and they are telling me? And also uke wayizwa wena ukuthi umuntu uke wavuka idlozi la kwelinye ikhaya and so basho ukuthi umkhulu lona maseka explain ukuthi ekhaya because akekho umuntu ofuna ukuthatha umsebenzi, so mina I am the vessel they are using, although angizelanga ukuzothwasa amadlozi abo, but nami ngilinde into zami kwamanje because angakavuma ubizo lami. I am just an empty vessel that anyone that wants to operate can operate, you understand? That is why uthola 80% of abantu abangakathwasi nambe nje niguga nje le mimoya le. But in hindsight now, thinking about all of this, I just came to that realization now. Chester came into my life to illuminate what was there, because I knew that I had a gift, but I didn't want my gift. But Idlozi knew that if we could get this person to be with this person, everything is gonna make sense. So my ancestors sacrificed me for their benefit as well, because there was no way I was gonna wake up eating your hamba and your tasa if I had dated someone else or had been with someone else. So damn. The things we put our ancestors through. Shit. I'm only realizing this now as I'm sitting here and reiterating this, because yo, I will always be grateful for the patience Amaluzam have had with me, because I was that stubborn, but they saw that my weakness is love, is relationships, and there was no way they were going to get me to listen. And also, everything happens for a reason. So, okay, the way we're saying no Chester, it was on a more frequent basis now. Maseng hambe no Chester, any little message that the mkhulu had, beseng papa me motweni, sometimes ngiwile. So Chester, what now he would do, he would actually record me and sometimes call his mom, because it would be messages for them. But every time he'd say mangvuke udlozi lami, I was destructive, because unkomo unjalo mangvuke udlozi lami, Unkom was just a beast. So it's not like I'm just in a trance. It's bad, like, because even Nova figure lime lumen uvalka. And 2, like galimala and changes around here galimala, and 80% of the time, sometimes like upikai had uguti ang balege and allow me to speak, and he listens from a distance. You understand? So hey guys, Maria Zamadlos. So anyway, I guess so. Sijole no big guy. Yazi ubhika use pho sijole no Chester. I relationship yethu yazini ibe ibond yethu ibe stronger and stronger and stronger. Ukuthi now he knows what I am in his life, and he also understands who I am. You understand that? And he didn't even put pressure on me. Ukuthi dimpo hambo twasa, dimpo hambo lungisa into zakho zamadlozi, dimpo wena uyabora, dimpo. He was just like, he's gonna support me either way. But he could tell ukuthi a lot of things are happening. So in the midst of all of these things, I still had to go back to school. He also had a life, etc. So at around the time, he was planning to move out Egibo, and he managed to find a place. So he moved to that place, and I was there to support him. Moving to that place, it was giving. And into nje wangidina ngayo uChester makubhaliswa lapha ama papers, because uChester umuntu ngizothini angazi uChester kwenzakalani even till today. Namanje mangingahlangana naye ngihlezi ngithi kuye uyenzile ID na, because he had no ID for the longest time. I don't know why. Namangazi, I don't even know his real age. Like, whenever I would ask him how old he was, he would tell me he's the same age as my brother. Like, Uchester was just giving red flags. But look at baby girl. She walked past those red flags. So what happened is that makamuva laphayana wazibhalisa igama lakhe, then wabhalisa igama lami ne-ID yami. Little did I know ukuthi lento leyo izongifaka emasimbeni, ngizoniqoqela kule part elandelayo. So siyahlala ke, but i-relationship yam no Chester beyingasekho healthy because it was very abusive. uChester bekanesikhwele. It was giving SmackDown, WWE. Yabona uthi uhlangahlangene bese on top of that ngapha amadlozi ngapha, you know, like gish. So the toxic game no Chester. uChester even nongoba sesiphumile bengimele masiphumile sengumuntu okhokhobile obheke phansi yabona, because athi mina ngibheka amadoda nini ngizothola impama out of the blue. Like uChester nje was just the way he was, and he was just thinking everything he's doing is right, and it didn't make things better. Ukuthi ufake nalilwana sifakile, you know, bese silwa and ngapha bese kajola, like izinto eziningi nje bese zenza bekungasekho mnandi kwe relationship yami no Chester. But in the midst of all of that, umkhulu wakhe makavela, he would always tell them that, listen, like umsindo awufuneki and do 1 2 3. But uChester, because he's Chester, he would drag his feet. He had me to his disposal where he would get messages from his ancestors directly. That hardly happens. But he would get messages from his ancestors through me. But he also did not listen the way he was supposed to listen. He took everything very lightly, and that was a disadvantage to him. So it happened to go to get Connor this other day. We had a big fallout. Ganti ilanga lakhona uzobosha. Makabosha kanje uboshela ezinye izinto kuningi nje amahliphihliphi kuhlangene nabangani lapho ngaphakathi. And because Egibo, there were people abangasathuka ukuthi uboshiya yabo, mase ngilandelela vele ngaye umuntu nje, you understand. So Egibo besebamngalile vele, so washiyelela everything kimi, guys. I had to now ngakhosela ukuthi ngihambe ngiye kuloya baba wakhe, guys. Bese ngimhambela inyanga yakhe on his behalf. Bese ngihamba ilawyer yakhe. I was the one to go to the lawyer to pay the lawyer, because he would tell me imali iguphi. I was the one doing X, Y, and Z. I was the one doing X, Y, and Z. Ngamba makhoti. His family was not there. Ama besuk yimle ochekleyo. sengiyatshelwa ukuthi imali ifaka endaweni eso ukuthi mabasearcha impahla ingazotholakala ini guys I bese ngiphila nje enye impilo laphayana sengiyaziwa nje like uyangiunderstanda ukuthi umuntu ka Chester lona like ngeke uzongiphilisa impilo zamabhesuku mina sengiyazi ngesikhathi and I was the only one ngimhambisela impahla and umuntu okhona was demanding ufuna impahla ufuna kuzimali uyazi ukuthi kunemali engakanani uzokuthithisa why you late uyabona into ezikanjalo so futhi yabona into esihlangane namajele mina vele nje count me out because nginenye phobia nje yezinto zihlangane namajele so uvele nje wayifaka wayenza wes so ngangisengileyo cherry guys ka Chester uhleli ejele like that time angazi mhlambe 2 months or something if I'm not mistaken because ngize ngawonda like ngangisingondile ngibona ukuthi you know what it's no longer giving and also sekuhlanga because now le ndawo le I rentayo laphayana anyeke phela sakhona ukuthi ahlale laphayana and amahliphi kuningi nje kuhlangene naye akasayenzi income imali phela akabhenki uyibeke endlini so it was a lot of things because prior to that a lot of things happened wayethola ama-accident eyenza angamameli uChester angamameli and amadlozi akhe wayembamba ngemoto yakhe le wayeyithanda vele so uChester aphume makaphuma yabona nje nami sengikhathele like sengihleli because umuntu wami ngiyamthanda but at the same breath like you know on top of that kube namanye ke ama guys like from the kasi yabo wangenza ngifile ngathi ukuthi yazini sisi but why uhleli nalomuntu lo like I'm moneyed I can take care of you like why are you with this guy but I was sitting that shit yabo so mina guys yabona ukuthanda umuntu guys uthando nginalo ne but yabo manje njengoba sengenza 30 vele angisenandaba vele nothando mina ngifuna nje ukuyiphilela impilo yami ngidlele nje impilo yami ngidle nezimali zabantu but nemali zami but indaba zokuthi ngisazophuka ngigampuka inyawo for indoda kade sithi siyazama hey if anything the story is not different like uChester was ngizwane naye ngazi ukuthi umuntu onjani and I sat and I stayed and it was fucked up ngendlela ukuthi we couldn't even be apart like besihlukana but ukuhlukana kwethu would be like a week because naye beka toxic you understand and avela ngitshele nje ukuthi when you will not go anywhere mina nawe will sizohlukaniswa ukuthi one of us will die and you are mine when angilethela amadlozi and uthanda ungathandi ngizokulobola mina and umfazi wami wena so yazi umuntu maseka comfortable sekakubiza nangalawo magama lawo nami sengicomfortable ngiyamphekela ngenzani it was just a lot of things so nami bese ngititinyeka ngapha izinto zamadlozi and I honestly wanted him to do better. Honestly, I wanted him to change. I wanted him to be a better person because he was a chosen child. He was a special child. Just that he needed guidance. He needed support. And he was living in a toxic environment whereby it's not even like Nalimali Wayenzu Chester he was taking care of his family. He would give like 10% and then the rest he would splurge. Lo muntu lana wakhona ukuthi angibambisa 60,000 or sometimes account inami kungena 90,000 100,000 150k athi angiyifaka ngiyayikhipha anginikeze mhlambe leyo guys and again why is stingy ke mina but he was not generous financially but wayengipha ngaleso sikhathi ngazi uChester guys lalani uChester wangi bathi umfazi ungabo umthengela igcathulo uChester wahamba ke mina guys wangisa a small science shopping kwakune unveiling ekhaya wangithengele linye igqomoza so elihle bekusangenela amagqomoza lawa alayita anamadlitha amaningi wangithengela lona ne coats ne rock so I mean umfazi mamthengela igcathulo especially ofana nami siyahamba vele ungangithengeli igcathulo mina khona umunye umuntu ngangizona naye ke loyana waye right like wayinto ekhona why baxa ubhuti wathenga igcathulo I don't know mina ngumuntu abantu abadala uma ngithengile igcathulo uyangixosha angithengeli igcathulo nika imali ukuthi ngiyithengela ungeze ungisurprise because mina ngiyahamba I live you are signaling to the gods ukuthi no, like mina ngishaya. So a relationship yami no Chester was that it was good when it was good, but it was toxic when it was toxic. Which is that na impilo yakhe bese unfold ngenye indlela ukuthi he didn't have much yabo anymore, but imali wayengasayitholi ngendlela wayeyithola ngayo before. So sasesiphenduke le couple lena ethenga i-4th Street box lele 4th Street sisiphuze soyitsum you understand sesi impilo sesiyayincenga manje phela nami ngi-student angisebenzi and ungiyekisile architect ngale because there was a point kwi relationship yethu where he found out ukuthi mina nganginomuntu othizeni engangizana naye wahlanya wathi kimi everything engithengele lo muntu ngangishise naye ayeke azwane nami gcoka impahla zama-blesser nami ngayishisa kanti ngishise inhlanhla zami anyway. So it was that thing yabona i-relationship nje yayiseyibhora senginami sengiphatha itilili yabona sekutoxic kungasikho mnandi man guys, it was no longer nice. Sekwazi ukungishiya yogroove manje akasahambi nami phela wazi ke uma sowusala so old you are old news sekangasahambi nami sengiyinto nje ehleli nje understand bese ngihambe ngesikolweni and also my studies suffered a lot around the time bengizwana no Chester and it was no longer giving. So there was a day again I was like no kumele ngikhaphe ngePretoria kunezinto ekumele ngiyozenza and so sibhizi la highway siyalwa every time ke masixabana bekuba ngathi nje yabona ngiphakamelwa idlozi so that day kanti kuzovuka and unkomo wathatha leya moto leyana besihamba siya ePretoria but wayijikisa yabuya yajika le wamutshela wamunyela wakaka wathi mangiphaphama mina iwiki uyibambe ngesandla imoto umile like uyakhala but umile like I could see tears but he's just standing and he didn't know what to say. He just said to me ngicela ukukusekini there's a lot of things that's going on and there's a lot of things you need to go sort out about yourself. You understand? So a part of me being sabu kuhamba ngiyothwasa because ngangisengibona ukuthi uChester uyangijolela uChester you know uChester asisiyilo umuntu loyana cabanga ngiyohamba isikhathi singaka ngibuya uChester phela sekashadile sekanomuzi la sekanesithembu nasabafazi abayi3 yabo. So my reasons were actually selfish but at the same time ngangisengoa so things were no longer happening the way they were happening for uChester. For someone ongasazi story sami ke ukuthi eventually ngangisengizwe izinto sengibona izinto was losing my sight then ubhuti wami ke got into a very very fatal car accident. Then I think that was chai for me. So what I said was, you know what, because awunandawo yokuhlala hey nami uDora the Explorer hey indoda mayixayekile iyeke ixayekile makaza ku anesiqwathi la mnye kanjalo makaza ku anethi kodwa ngana understand mnye kanjalo yabona watrya uzonya ngiyakhuza ngiyaxoxela ngisho mina ngintshela ngathi ngine 50 years experience. So I was like, you know what, take your things and umuvele eflatini lele ngihlala kulo and then you will take over the rent because mina ngizobe ngekho and angazi ngihamba nini angazi ngibuya nini because uyabona impilo yami ihlangahlangene. So you can move into my flat lele ngangihlala kule Pretoria and then you will carry on with the rent and ubone ukuthi uphuma kanjani. And I managed to convince my mom because ngangimkhulumela vele uChester. So yabona izinto zazingasafani imoto yakhe seyimoshekile level yangihlangisa yasimoshekile uChester nje yazi impilo kaChester yahlangahlangana because of not listening to amadlozi wakhe. I think if he listened to amadlozi wakhe while I was there in his life, he could have been very far with a lot of things because I was sent there to do the work of the Lord. So uChester was like, okay, cool, ngizohlala endaweni yakho and then mawubuya mhlambe ngizobe ngizilungisile and then I'm going to move out. That was the agreement ukuthi uzohlala endaweni yami mina bese ngiyahamba ngiyakushiya lapho. So prior to me leaving, there was like weeks before me leaving. The sex was no longer sexing because abantu abadala basebayivalile ngangisengiyitshitshi wayesengidina sathi nje masibhekana umunye avela ancapha umunye khafule yabona kwakungasekho mnandi because niyasazi isichitho samadlozi guys usiyadina ke sikwenza uzondo wonke umuntu so nami ngangisenginesichitho sabantu abadala so asifuni muthi lesa asifuni next sifuna nje ukuthi uhambe uyozilungisa uhambe uyothwasa so ngashiya ke impilo yami emuva ngamshiya uChester ngahamba ngangena ephehlweni.
What the problem about you, Sizwe? You love too much. You fall in love easily. Too much. It's like you are desperate for love. You are desperate for love. Hey, are you desperate? What's wrong? Hey?
Okay, guys. Apologies. Today's show, I'm not feeling very well. But I'm just trying to nurse myself so that nibe ngcono. But before I forget, kunoputi ongikhiphe engubeni. Who is an avid subscriber of the channel, who actually ungithumelele imali today. Give a bank notification, the email engaka end. But he said he'd like to remain anonymous. He's sending money because he appreciates me and my efforts. So ungithumelele 3,000 rand ke. I'm a banking detail. Uwathathe kwinamba yami ngale leyo umsebenzi angisho umu texta uthi mpho gogo ngifuna uzoconsult kuvela wonke so wasenda and what no it's not a consultation booking wangichasela istory sakhe uthi dala nginandelela I understand but he said he's not expecting anything from me akafuni mdolo he's just contributing to whatever it is that I want to do so uthi nje uyangibonga since it's my birthday month so whoever you are uyazazi angeke ngikusho nje negama because you asked me that you want to remain anonymous so thank you azange ufana nemigulukudu eminingi ezayo ebooka ama consultation bese bafuna ukungikhiyela endumbeni yami but you came and you were like you know what so ngiyabonga bhuti wami thank you so much ngiyenza facial and I'm gonna do a vajacial and a facial and just relax ngiyabonga kakhulu thank you very much yeah thank you so anyway that was the end of part 2 so I need to also go nurse myself ngizama ukufutha kancane so isifuba sami ngibona ngikhipha ama lash because I want to go steam so kusasa I'll come back in better spirits ngilethele part 3 no part 4 I hope anyeke start more than but it can't drag until my birthday angifuni kuba sefonini on my birthday or birthday weekend ngifuna ukuphumula ngifaka ama cucumber lana ngimkhohle nje at all so but thank you so much for coming through and following this story time. I know you love and enjoy my story times. Ngixolele for the timestamps. It's a bit fuzzy. It's a long story, but I'm trying to fit everything into a few minutes of YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you'll still come back to the channel. Please leave your comments down below. I love and appreciate your interaction and feedback that you bring on the channel. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so right now. So that was it from Umkhovu kaChester. Yabona ukuthi bese bangikhovile guys. Ngangisengisebenzela lo yamndeni. Makuze imisebenzi kubizwa mina. Kwakwenza yimi. Kwaya phezulu. Yo guys. You see the work of the healer. It's not just about being endumbeni. Your work is bigger than you. Being an empath is just a lot. So you understand ukuthi this guy looked like he was doing great and he was broken. He was just a shell and I needed to pour into him and it was so frustrating because I was also pouring from an empty cup. I was also just a shell myself. I needed to rediscover and find myself and find who I was. So Chester has been there in my journey before I was a sangoma and post me saying Thwasile. So you're gonna get to hear all about that because it gets juicier in part 3. I am Pho Wabadimu, the advocate of Idlozi Ugogo Unkomi Yahlaba Isangoma Esibabayo Inkosazana Onobuhle, and I will see you on our next video. Whenever this video catches you, stay blessed, love and light. Thokozani.